Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a mutton biryani at home. I usually make this on every Sundays and my kids enjoy this. Let's see how I made it. Into a bowl I have added 1 kilogram mutton that I cut into medium pieces. Into this I am adding 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 4 tablespoons of curd and required amount of salt. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Into a small jar, I am adding 10 shallots, that is 55 grams, almost 3/4 portion of 1 big garlic pod, that is 25 grams, 2 inch of ginger, that is 15 grams, 5 to 6 green chilli. The amount of green chilli you can increase or decrease according to your taste. Some coriander leaves and some mint leaves. I am going to coarsely grind this. Now heat a pressure cooker. Here I used 7-liter pressure cooker. You can use 5-liter also. Into this I am adding half cup of oil, that is 125 ml. Adding 2 bay leaves, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 2-inch cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 1 star anise and 2 cardamoms. Saute it for 30 seconds. Adding 2 large finely chopped onions, that is 230 grams. Add required amount of salt and mix well. Saute this for 6 to 7 minutes or until the onions are soft. So the onions are soft now. I am adding the ground green masala. Mix well and cook it for 2 minutes or until the raw smell is gone. Into this I am adding 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. This is the homemade biryani masala. If you want, you can use Everest Shahi biryani masala. It has a nice flavor. Adding 1 large tomato chopped, that is 90 grams. Adding little water to deglaze the pan. Cover it and cook it until the tomatoes are soft. So the tomatoes are nice and soft. Now I am adding the marinated mutton. Mix properly and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, close the pressure cooker and cook it for 5 to 6 whistles. So 5 whistles are over now. I'm going to turn off the flame. Allow the cooker to depressurize itself. So now I'm opening the lid. Check whether the mutton is cooked or not. Mine is properly cooked. Turn on the flame and I'm going to add water. Here I have used 2 cups of rice. This is the cup I measured rice and it is 300 ml. So in the same cup I am measuring water also. Total we need to add 4 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. Already we have 1 cup of water in the mutton. So extra 3 cups of water I am adding. So total 4 cups. Adding 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it properly and allow it to boil. I am adding salt. We need to add little more salt because we are going to add the rice. Now the water started to boil. I am going to add the rice. Here I used 2 cups of rice, that is around half kilo. I used India Gate basmati rice that I have soaked it for 20 minutes. Then I drained the water and kept it aside. Mix everything together. Adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. This will give a nice flavor to the biryani. Now close the pressure cooker and don't put whistle. Cook it on high flame until you get a strong airflow through the nozzle. You can check this with your hand. Now reduce the flame to the medium-low and cook it for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, switch off the flame and allow it to cool down for half an hour. After half an hour, you can open the lid and transfer this into a serving bowl. I am opening the lid. Let's see how it is. It is properly cooked and all the water content is totally absorbed. Now I am going to transfer this into a bowl. It is very easy to make at home if you follow my steps, and it is very delicious. Please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for future notification. Give a thumbs up and share this with your friends and family. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.